I look up. The sun has gone. Dark clouds? Rain? Oh no. Our day is ruined. Today is a special day. We plan a picnic. I walk with my girlfriend. We go to the park. The sun is warm. The sky is blue. Families are there. Children are playing. People are smiling. We find a nice place. We sit on the grass. I put down a blanket. We take out the food. I smile. She smiles at me. This is a perfect day. I take some food. I look at her. Then I look up. The sky looks different. The sun has gone. Dark clouds. I feel something. A drop. Then another drop. Oh no. It starts to rain. I stand up. I look around. People are moving. People are running. I pick up our things. I move fast. The rain gets stronger. More rain. More dark clouds. Everything is wet. I stop. I look at her. She looks at me. We are both quiet. I say, "This is bad. The blanket is wet. The food is wet. My clothes are wet. I feel cold. I am worried about my girlfriend." She looks up at the sky. Then she laughs. I feel surprised. She is laughing. She smiles. She says, "It's okay." She stands in the rain. She opens her arms. She turns around slowly. The rain falls on her face. She laughs again. I watch her. I feel different. Maybe it is okay. I take a step. Then another step. I stand in the rain with her. The rain is cold, but I smile. We look at each other. We laugh together. I forget the problem. I forget the plan. We walk in the rain. Slow steps. Wet shoes. Big smiles. This is not a perfect day, but it is a good day. We walk back slowly. Still wet. Still laughing. Today we plan a picnic, but it starts to rain. At first, I feel worried, but we stay. We laugh. We enjoy the moment. It is a special day. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.